Got two little sweet mamas here. These babies are all hers. She just doesn't know how to feed. She didn't mature. This was her first litter, but that doesn't excuse her because Mama's litter was, her and her two brothers. So it's not like, she was younger. She was like 4 months younger. She was a lot younger. And yet these babies are all feeding off of her and not their actual mama. But it's kind of a godsend. Unfortunately, when she had babies the day before she had babies. And if Mama's babies had made it, I don't think that would have been good because, well, clearly she's tasked with taking care of all of the babies. Huh, Marble? Huh. As you just lay here, panting away. Sleeping soundly. Like there's not a care in the world, even though you have 4 fucking babies. I know y'all can only see 3, I'll show you. There's a 4th one. Wow. Marble. Don't lay on the babies, Marble. Yeah, just lay on your mother's face. Oh. Come on, bro. Oh, good girl. This baby looks just like her brother, Muffin. Just like Muffin. This one, I can't believe it. This one is all black. All black. What? And then you got this one that just looks like Marble. See, you got the white legs and all that. Got white on him and stuff. Or it. Probably she. Oh my god. Why? And then under all of this is another baby. Another all-white baby that I'm pretty sure is not getting smothered. Yeah. Oh gosh. Skip it. It is a mess. Oh. There we go. It looks like a mouse. It's like a freaking albino. Look at its freaking pink ear and stuff. Looks like a mouse. I think it's an albino. Like even the backs of its ears. Oh. The good mama with the bad mama. The good mama with the still a baby and always will be a baby and never should have had babies because she was not ready. She did not have the mental capacity for all this. Yeah, she's still panting and stuff. She went through a lot. She gave birth to 4 babies, I think 5. I only saw 4. Oh my god, Marble. I only saw 4, but I saw a 5th. But anyway. Yes, 4 babies, 4 brand new sweet little babies. Oh, Marble. And Marble just wants attention. Just like usual. She's still her dang old self. Mama's personality changed a lot after she had babies. Marble's personality has changed none after she had babies. Oh, you poor little girl. As I was saying, oh look, I'm starting to see spots on this one that was all black. How neat. Starting to see spots. Spots. Little spot there, and there, and there, and there. Little spots. So many babies. So cute. So many cats in one little box. Amazing.